wasn't planning on playing the starting five a lot of minutes. I wanted also to give the others some playing time naman na baka kakailanganin namin sa come the playoffs, no, so they can get their rhythm back. Kaya lang, hindi nga, sabi nga ni Berto, hindi nga maganda yung takbo ng laro. So they ended up also playing in the mid-30s to high 30s. So medyo, yun. Siyempre, you want to come out with a win also. So yun. So we had to play the longer minutes in the second half.
But coach, now that you are the number one seeded team, ano lang yung thoughts mo dun sa accomplishment na yun?
Wala pa kami na-accomplish. Elimination pa lang to. The last two conferences, we were in the top 4 also. Yung last conference, we were supposed to be for whatever reason, Gilberto, but we also had a chance, di ba? So, wala pa naman na-accomplish yan. We're just in number 1 in the elimination. So, it's something to be happy about, but it's nothing to be satisfied about.
Bert, ikaw naman, yun nga, twice to beat advantage, pero in the past, meron ka rin mga sitwasyon na ganito na twice to beat, pero natatalo kayo. Paano ito magiging iba dun sa mga yun?
Dapat hindi ganito yung laro namin. Sabi nga ni Coach, hindi pwede yung pili-pili ng laban. Hindi naman kami superior team sa kagaya ng iba na pwede mag-relax eh. So, for sure yung mga video nito, madaming papakita si Coach namin. Yung mga depensa na take for granted, lalo na papuntang playoffs. Playoffs, every possession counts, so dapat ready to play kaming lahat. Sana maging eye-opener to, halos lahat ng games namin na laging ganun. So, para pagdating sa dulo, hindi papapor sa amin. So, dapat hindi kami malagay sa ganitong situation. Dapat may standard kami sa paglalaro, sabi nga ni Coach. Dati, sa pala kami lagi, makapasok sa 8, masaya na kami. Ngayon na sistema ni Coach, gabay ni Coach, ganda ng pinapakita namin. Dapat nandun kami sa standard na yun. So, sabi nga ni Coach, binasawin, pero for sure, hindi masaya. Ito klaseng panalo. Pwede kami matalo kanina eh. So, dapat ready to play kami kahit sino makalaban namin kasi yung 7-8, yung 8 spot, hindi naman. Mga talo na natin, championship experience sa team yan. At alam ni Coach yun, kaya itong mga next days paghahandaan namin na sana mga video na papakita ni Coach, papasok sa lahat ng player and focus kami na isang panalo lang pag semifinals na. So,
Coach, mukhang matagal pa hinihintay nyo bago malaman yung opponent nyo. So, kumusta yung magiging next few days ninyo in preparation for the quarterfinals?
Time to rest lang. Time to rest lang. Mahaba yung mga nilalaro ni Berto, ni Bailey. So time to rest lang. And then get back to work as soon as possible. So yun lang yung plan. Anyway, we have still a lot of things to work on naman. Wala naman araw, wala naman team na perfect. So kung ano yung pagkukulang pa rin namin, we will try to work on it this time, which gives us an opportunity na naman to work on it. Hindi kami lalaro na tapos biglang semi-final, biglang quarter-final. So we have time. We will make use of this time.
Coach,
thank you sa PBA press call sa Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Maganda nga yan.
May bonus siya dyan.
Kano?
Salamat.
Thank you.